Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 16th of December, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Bankrupt wind turbine manufacturer TPI Composites has chosen Danish company Vestas as the buyer of parts of its assets. This includes ownership of Mexican subsidiaries and property in the US and India. The announcement came after a planned auction was canceled when no other approved bids were submitted. This is according to documents submitted to a bankruptcy court in Texas dated December 12. The sale process for TPI's remaining assets will continue separately. Saudi Arabia has connected 12.3 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity to its national grid. They also brought 8 gigawatt-hours of battery storage online. The expansion is accelerating as the kingdom pushes to transform its power sector. The country has a development pipeline of nearly 64 gigawatts of renewable power projects. Additionally, battery energy storage systems totaling about 30 gigawatt-hours have been planned. Honduras' electoral process has entered a critical phase, with direct implications for the country's energy sector. A tender for 1.5 gigawatts of new generation capacity was scheduled to be awarded in the first quarter of 2026. However, the current institutional deadlock puts that timeline at risk. Without appointed authorities in the executive, Congress, and technical bodies, it is not possible to advance with guarantees in the evaluation, negotiation, and approval of long-term power purchase agreements. Poland's Environment Ministry has allocated a total 264 million Polish zlotys to 8 energy clusters. The intent is to develop projects with a total renewable energy and storage capacity of over 40 megawatts and 47 megawatt-hours of storage. The funds from the National Recovery Plan will go to 6 provinces and include contracts signed for the construction of over 3,700 solar PV installations, 2,737 energy storage facilities, 326 heat pumps, a wind park, and photovoltaic farms. Italian plans to harness offshore wind energy are grinding to a halt, putting the country's climate goals at risk and hitting firms that have invested in the sector. A 2024 government decree offered incentives to spur 3.8 gigawatts of capacity by 2028. But the auctions for contracts have never been held amid bureaucratic and regulatory hurdles, stalling billions of euros in potential investments. The decree approved in August last year targeted innovative renewables like floating wind platforms suited to Italy's deep Mediterranean waters. Since then, 26 projects have been presented for environmental approval, with a total capacity of 18 gigawatts. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.